Hello, and welcome to my quick mortgage rate update. If you're here for the first time, I look at the cost of rates and we do a comparison to the previous day. I will say this many times that the rates do not go up and down every day as people assume. What does that even mean, that the rate went up or down? The rates remains the same. 6.5% is 6.5%. 6.625 is always the same. But the cost of the rate goes up every day and sometimes even intraday. The market fluctuates, so does the cost of the rate. This is set by the investor. This is set from the beginning when you lock the rate. This is just a percentage. If we take the loan amount and we multiply it by the percentage of the cost, we sometimes also call it a discount point, which is something you might be familiar with. You come up with this dollar amount here. It's a one-time fee that you pay at closing, and you're basically guaranteed this rate. So taking a look at today's rates. Today's 7/13. Comparing it to 7/11. Now I did create a video on 7/11, but unfortunately for some reason it didn't publish, so I will publish it so that way you have that frame of reference. By the way, 7/6 was when we had an alert to lock, and then a few days lapsed, and those who locked were in good shape because in 7/11 things took a jump. So today's rates, if you were to lock say 6.5%, if that's your discount point or cost, you're going to be looking about paying $1,500. If we compare 6/125 with what was happening on 7/11, that's quite a big of a jump, right? So you do the math. If you were locking the rate today, or if you were going to be locked, you got to have to make some decisions, right? If you wanted the cheapest, it's going to have to be $95 right here on that loan amount. Obviously, if the loan amount is less, it's going to be less. But if you want to spend a little bit of money here, so to get a better rate, that's your cost there. It's always kind of a good idea to take a look at what the actual loan payment is going to be. I'll probably incorporate that in future videos where I'll have a column for what the monthly payment difference is between this and this, and we can do some math and figure out exactly if it's worth it or not. A lot of times it's not worth it. So these rates are for a conventional 5% mortgage. If you take a look at the Home Ready product, which is going to be always cheaper in comparison, feel free to stop the video or take a screenshot or whatnot. I won't talk about it too much, but you can go back and forth. This is a regular and this is affordable. You have to qualify for that. And I am working on a video. This week, I've also added a couple of quick investment purchases. If you were to buy an investment property today, one unit with 25% down, same $475 loan amount, you need to fork out a little bit of coin, right? And there's your cost there. And if you only want to do the bare minimum on a one unit, which is 20% down, look at that number. It goes up quite a bit. So that's 20% down, 25% down. Same rates, a lot more expensive if you do 20% down. All right, I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can get more of these as they come out. Thank you.